Imagine a time when the right to vote, a cornerstone of democracy, was systematically denied to millions based on the color of their skin. This period, following the promise of Reconstruction, saw the rise of insidious legal structures designed to strip away fundamental citizenship rights. Understanding how these laws functioned is crucial for grasping a critical chapter in American history. Jim Crow laws enforced the disenfranchisement of African Americans primarily through a carefully constructed web of legal and extralegal barriers. These tactics were designed to prevent Black citizens from registering to vote and casting ballots, effectively nullifying the 15th Amendment to the United States Constitution. The core mechanism behind this disenfranchisement involved various discriminatory voting requirements. These included poll taxes, which demanded a fee to vote that many poor sharecroppers could not afford. Literacy tests were also common, often administered unfairly with complex questions to Black voters and simple ones, or none at all, to white voters. Grandfather clauses, meanwhile, exempted individuals from these tests and taxes if their ancestors could vote before 1866, effectively allowing most white citizens to vote while barring nearly all African Americans. Lastly, white primaries excluded Black voters from participating in the crucial primary elections of the Democratic Party in the South, where the real electoral decisions were made. In practice, these laws created a nearly insurmountable obstacle course for African American citizens attempting to exercise their right to vote. A Black farmer, for example, might arrive at the courthouse ready to register, only to be confronted with a poll tax equivalent to several days' wages. If by some chance they could pay, they would then face a literacy test designed for failure, perhaps asked to interpret a complex legal passage. Furthermore, the constant threat of violence and economic retaliation from white supremacist groups and employers served as a powerful deterrent, discouraging even the most determined individuals from attempting to vote. These methods representing a calculated effort to maintain white supremacy and political control across the South, extending well into the mid-20th century. While explicitly about voting, the broader strategy of Jim Crow permeated every aspect of life, creating a caste system where African Americans were deemed second-class citizens. The Supreme Court's ruling in 1989, in the case of Breedlove versus Suttles, even upheld poll taxes, highlighting the entrenched legal challenges faced. By understanding the specific, systematic ways Jim Crow laws stripped away the franchise, we gain insight into the profound struggle for civil rights and the enduring legacy of barriers to political participation. It underscores the vital importance of protecting voting rights for all and recognizing the historical efforts to undermine them.